Hi, my name is Melissa Donovan. I'm an attorney here with the We Well Law Firm, and I kind of focus on special needs planning. So I know that you are coming in to see us because you have a particular concern about a loved one of yours that may be a minor child who has a diagnosis of autism or Down syndrome or cerebral palsy or something to that effect. Or maybe you have a loved one who's been in an accident, who's a little bit older, and you're concerned about how to take care of that individual in the future. And that's what we're going to help you with and talk to you about when you come in. So special needs planning is really just planning to help your loved one be able to obtain the benefits that they need, or if they're already on those benefits, to keep them no matter what happens in the future. The biggest issue is that with benefits like Social Security and Medicaid that are means tested benefits, if someone inherits money or is gifted money, they could lose those benefits. And that's our goal, is to protect your loved one from losing those benefits. So when you come in to meet with us, there's some things we're going to go through. We'll talk through what those different benefits are. We'll explain what is SSI, what is SSDI, what is the difference between Medicaid and Medicare, because all of that can be really, really confusing. And so we're going to talk through that. We will look at what you need to do and what are the best options for you, just in terms of a general estate plan. Of course, when we're worried about loved ones, we also need to be worried about you too. So we're going to talk about medical powers of attorney and financial powers of attorney. We'll look at what kind of estate planning is best for you while incorporating the best options for your loved one that maybe has a diagnosis or a condition that's not going to allow them to have the ease of management that someone without those diagnoses would have. So some of the things that are important to think about before you come in to meet with us is where your individual loved one is at this point in time. That being said, if your child is a minor, they probably are not on any benefits at this point in time, but maybe they are. So it's important to know, where does that person stand right now? Is your loved one on Medicaid? Is your loved one receiving any SSI benefit? Those are going to be important things for us to know when you come in and for us to talk through. If your loved one that we're talking about is an adult, they might be on SSI, they might be on SSDI, they might be on Medicaid, they might be on Medicare. So I would recommend that you kind of look at that and see if you can't determine what they're on. And if you can't, don't worry about it. We'll talk about it when you come in, and we'll go through how to figure out what those benefits are and if those benefits are going to be affected or not based on the planning that you want to put into place. So really the whole goal when you come in to meet with us is to make sure that you have a great plan in place for you that is also going to safeguard your loved one when you pass away or if you become incapacitated. So I really look forward to meeting you and getting to know more about you and your family, and we will see you soon.